There you go. I'm frying the marinated chicken for about 2 hours. So we already marinated this with all the spices, and then I'm frying it now in the low fire. Then I already did the ginisang cabbage a while ago. Tapos yan, I'm going to cook the sauce na lang later. So hindi lang tayo mga Kanyel Fairy magaling linis ng kuko. Diba? Ayan. By the way, shout out to my first to the first subscriber on my YouTube channel, which is Nail Fairy. Thank you, and God bless. Share the love. Thank you so much. Thank you so much po. I already had here the garlic, the spring onions, and there you go, yung ginisang cabbage. And done with it. Nakapagsaing na rin ako. So that this is for our today's menu. Yung amo kong dentist nag-request ng ginisang cabbage, saka yung asawa niya, and also buttered chicken. I already cooked this siguro 5 days ago. Nakapagluto na ako nito, kaso lang half kilo yung pinaluto nila. Ngayon 1 kilo na yung niluto ko kasi nabitin sila. So ito yung mga ipipray ko later. So yung iba binabad ko na siya sa flour na may spices din. So yun, naligo na rin ako sa alaga ko. Shinake ko lang siya. Dito ako magluluto mamaya ng sauce. So ito yung pinaglulutuan ko ng sauce. Dito naman magpa-fry. Shinake ko lang yung chicken, ipag-fry ko pa. Thank you to my new subscriber, for my first subscriber. Thank you.